Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Wanderlust box from bikini.com. I have reviewed a couple of these boxes. They are beach themed and super fun and wonderful lifestyle boxes. Okay, so this box, these are seasonal by the way. This is Phuket, Thailand, which I was really excited about. I've never been to Thailand, but I would love to go. I love Thai food. So the little pamphlet that they give you is quite a little pamphlet, you know, it's like practically a little travel guide because it has little things in here just about Phuket, about Thailand, where to stay, where to eat, as well as little tidbits about how to behave. Because they do have, you know, certain rules in different countries. Like I know that I got in trouble when we went to Italy because my shoulders were bare when I went into a church. And that's another thing, you know, like cover your shoulders or your head or whatever that, you know, whatever the local standards are. So anyway, all of that information is in here. Things to do, like this elephant sanctuary, which I think would be really amazing. This cool upside down house. That looks like it would be really fun to visit. Some cool temples, Buddhas everywhere. Don't ever put your back to a Buddha. And then a Phuket Thai cookery school, which I think would be amazing. One of my favorite things that we did when we went to Paris this last summer is we took a cooking class with the kids and everything, and we learned how to make macarons, and it was the best thing ever. So I highly recommend doing cooking classes wherever you travel. And then they have a playlist that you can just, you know, use the QR code and get all of these cool songs. Yeah, more places to eat. They include a recipe for pineapple shrimp fried cauliflower rice, which I'm totally going to make. That sounds amazing. And then inside your box. Okay, so let's go through it. Okay, so the first thing in here are these energy packets, and they give you a whole giant bag of these. Let's see, how many are actually in here? 30. There are 30 packets in here. And it's one of those, like, you know, a packet of powder that you just mix with your water. Why can't I open this? It's in a Ziploc bag. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's in a Ziploc bag, and it has a bunch of different flavors. There's grape, watermelon, lemon, mixed berry, and island splash. So I tried one of these the other day. I tried island splash, and it was a little bit funky tasting, I'm not gonna lie. It was like a little bit kind of bitter. And, you know, I mean, it does have some like caffeine and other supplements, vitamins, that sort of thing to help give you, you know, a boost. And they're gluten-free, non-GMO. I think these are cool. I do actually like having these sorts of things because I often run low on energy and don't necessarily want a 19th cup of coffee that day. And it's just sort of, you know, like a refreshing fruity thing. Okay, the next thing is from SANZI Beauty. This is smoothing cream, and you're supposed to put it in your damp hair, and it helps detangle. It's supposed to help blow dry and go faster and smooth your frizz. Now, I don't have frizzy hair. I hardly have any hair at this point. And so when I use it, I think that I used a little bit too much. It's funny because it says to use like a couple of drops, like 3 drops, but it's a cream, so it doesn't come out in drops. So I just kind of, you know, went and just, you know, not a lot. But anyway, it definitely left my hair textured. So today I ended up, and I did it on damp hair. Today my hair was already dry, and I put it in kind of like I would, you know, any sort of styling cream kind of a thing, where I just kind of, you know, smushed it into the ends and kind of, you know, did this with it. And I like the feel that it gives my hair because it feels very soft. It doesn't feel like I have any product in my hair, but it still kind of gives it a little bit of that piecey texture. And I'm sure that if I did have curly or frizzy hair, it would help tame all of that. You know, like I said, my hair, this isn't necessarily the type of product that I would use on my hair, but I still enjoy using it. I'm actually really liking using it, so I was happy to have this, which is funny because normally I'd be like, I'm gonna pass this on to somebody else since I don't get frizzy hair. And it's vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, I got some skincare. This is from Refresh Skin Therapy, and it's a fruit acid peel. So I haven't used it yet. I was a little bit nervous because I've been doing other things with my skin, and my skin is sensitive, so anytime I introduce new products, I have to be really careful about it. And because this is a peel, I didn't want to overdo my current skincare that's going on. I've been using a derma roller. So anyway, I am excited to use this though. It's a gel peel and I like chemical exfoliating things. So we'll see. If I do use it, you know, I'll post on social media or something and let you guys know because it looks like an interesting product. The one thing that I would say about this, you know, being a beach theme, like you don't want to use this and then go out into the sun, but after you've come back from vacation, then is the time to use this and try to get rid of all of that sun damage. Oh, the next thing, they gave us 2 of these soaps from OLIVIDA, and they're natural soaps in Thailand. Olive oil is the least popular oil used for consumption, but there are plenty more benefits to using olive oil. OLIVIDA means the olive of life. It's made from 100% natural ingredients and comes in a variety of scents: lavender, Dead Sea mud, lemon, and olive. So I have lavender and lemon. The lemon one didn't smell very lemony. The lavender one smells really good. That actually smells really, really good. The lemon one didn't have much of a scent to it. So I got this box and then my husband was leaving for the racetrack the next day and he was like, oh, do we have anything? I don't want to bring like a shampoo and a body wash and, you know, do I have a bar of soap or something? And I was like, ooh, I have something, because this is meant to be used for body, hair, face, and it's good for sunburns, and they're out on the racetrack. They both came out with little red faces. Yeah, it says with its antioxidant blend, this product softens skin, improves elasticity, and rejuvenates your skin after long travels. It says for face, body, and hair. So I sent this with my husband just in a little plastic bag, and he used it and he came back and he said the soap was great, it was perfect, he loved it. And I used it just in the bath and I thought that it was really nice. So I'm actually really excited about these soaps, and that lavender one smells delicious. Speaking of delicious, this I am so excited. This is from VERVE Culture, and this is Thai for 2 organic curry sampler set. And I guess we got one of the samples or something, because then it says, you know, you might get a different one. So the one that I have is the Tom Kha soup, which is one of my very favorite Thai dishes. It's a coconut soup and oh, it's so good. I actually make this at home all the time, so I'm really excited to try this. So cute little bag, and then it comes with just, you know, the ingredients to make your soup. So you just kind of, you know, throw this in a pot and make delicious soup. Let me see, does it call for anything else that you need to add to it? So you can add a protein if you want chicken or shrimp or tofu, and vegetables if you want. But then other than that, just water. So you don't have to add anything, but you certainly could if you wanted to. And it has, you know, just these dried herb packets. Oh, those look like chili peppers. And then some coconut milk and whatever this is, Tom Kha soup seasoning. So I'm really excited to make this, and it's been chilly lately and I love soup, so I am very excited to do this. I love that. I thought that was so super cute that they included this in the box. And then some sunglasses from HUMP Optics. These are not my particular style, so I will be passing these along to a friend, but I thought that they were cute, even though they're not really, you know, something that I will wear. But see, aren't these cute? And they feel very comfortable. They're lightweight, and it has a little bag that you can keep them in. And then this is from HONEYBEE Gardens, and this is a tinted lip balm, and I have watermelon mist. So they have a bunch of different ones. There's cherry, pomegranate, strawberry, nudie patootie? I have no idea what flavor that is. Anyway, this smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, like lip smackers. I mean, every time I wear this, it like brings me back to my childhood. This is what I have on my lips right now, and I love it. I have been wearing this obsessively. The color is, you know, not super dark, but it leaves this wonderful shimmery, pinky, kind of mauve-y tone. Can you even see it on my hand? On my lips, I just think it's just flattering and beautiful, and it smells like watermelon, and it's super hydrating. It's not super slippery. It has a good texture to it. I'm telling you, I love this. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. And then speaking of sheen, this is DONORE Cosmetics Rose Quartz Illuminzer. So it's just like a little oil that you can drop on your shoulders or, you know, wear on your legs. And it's just an oil, and it has some good, let's see, what does it have in it? Organic oils and vitamin E. So it has, you know, some good skin nourishing ingredients. I'm just gonna do 2 little drops and rub those in. And it's hydrating and it just adds a little bit, just a hint of shimmer. I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but it's not super, you don't suddenly look like, you know, a Twilight vampire and you're like crazy glittery. It's just a very light sheen almost that just kind of makes you glow, which I appreciate, because when I saw it at first I was like, oh, is this gonna be like super glittery? But it's not at all. It's really, really lovely. So I'm excited about using this like all summer long. It doesn't really smell like anything either. And then this is a beautiful little, what do you call this thing? It's a scarf, but it's big enough that you could use it to like wrap around your bathing suit, you know, that kind of thing. You could make like a skirt out of it, or even like a little, well, very little dress. Or you could use it as a scarf, you know, just a regular old scarf, or like a cute little head scarf. Super cute. When Colin and I first started dating, he had a convertible and my hair would always be like, so I ended up getting a scarf like this that I would wear in the car all the time. I felt very glamorous. So anyway, I love this. I love the print on it. It's lightweight but wonderful and can be used for a million things. So I'm super excited about that. And then the last thing are these KOCOSTAR Plump Lip Capsule Mask. So let me show you. It came in this little bag, but then it comes in here. And I did use one of these, and it actually, I used it several times before it ran out. You could use the whole thing at once, but I feel like that would be just way too much goo on your lips. And I liked using it just during the day or a night before I went to bed or whenever you want to. It's very hydrating, and it does leave kind of a goopiness on your lips, and it has, I think, probably cinnamon. That's what it seemed like. So it's supposed to be lip plumping, and it tingled a little bit, but it didn't burn, which was nice. And it was just super hydrating and made my lips look nice and full, and my lips have been really dry lately. So I was actually really excited to use this. And like I said, I got several uses out of it, and it's not like I have a small mouth. I have full lips, and was still able to get plenty of uses out of just one capsule. So I'm loving these. I think these are great. And that is it. That's all the stuff in this box. A ton of really wonderful, usable, fun items that make you think of Thailand. I'm so excited about that soup, and I'm really excited about the recipe included in the pamphlet this time too. That looks so yummy. And these I will definitely get a lot of use out of. And this is my new like favorite hair thing. I have a new favorite lip thing. I'm so excited about this box. So I will leave all of the information in the description box for the individual items, as well as Wanderlust and bikini.com if you want to check those out. I've been really impressed with all of their boxes. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.